Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on angle geometry in a circle. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses of the rap song. And here we have the start of the lesson. So this video will highlight 6 basic rules which are relevant to the geometry of the circle. Knowing these rules will help us when we are asked to find unknown angles and side lengths of geometric shapes drawn within and around the circle. So rule 1, the angle in a semicircle is a right angle. What that means is that angle ABC is 90 degrees. So there we go, that angle there is 90 degrees. And you can see how this triangle is formed. Rule 2. A tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn to its point of contact. So here is the tangent and there is the radius which touches the tangent at that point, and that makes this angle here 90 degrees. So angle STO equals 90 degrees. Rule 3. Two tangents which can be drawn to a circle from an external point are equal in length. So if the external point is B and you draw that tangent and then you draw this tangent, the length of AB equals the length of BC. Rule number 4. The angles at the circumference of a circle standing on the same arc are equal. What that says is angle AQB equals angle APB. So AQB is this angle and it stands on that arc. Angle APB is that angle and it stands on the same arc, so that angle is equal to that angle. Rule 5. The angle at the centre of a circle is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc. What that's basically saying is that angle AOB, so this angle here in the middle, that one there, is twice the size of this one. See, they both stand on the same arc. That one stands on this arc, and so does that angle. When that is the case, the angle at the centre is twice the size of this angle. And finally, for rule 6, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So a cyclic quadrilateral is one that is contained within a circle, and it's telling us that angle A plus angle C equals 180 degrees. See, they're the opposite angles. When they're supplementary, they add up to 180. Angle B plus angle D equals 180 degrees. Angle B plus angle D equals 180 degrees, which means that their sum is 180 degrees, and that makes them supplementary. So this video has presented those 6 rules which are very important when it comes to the circle and any shapes that are drawn inside. and we're able to find unknown angles and unknown sides when we know those rules. So this video has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by introducing the rap song about the circle.